Our customer is always aiming for how to reduce their cost of operations. This can be done through the FG Robosys and SMC together. I'm Benedictus from FG Robosys, we are doing the robotic bottling systems in Netherlands. I'm also the founder of FG Indonesia and also FG America. So currently we produce Robust SmartFlex E80. The E80 means we have 80 bottles per minute for cosmetic and personal care industries. So it's actually one big package for us to provide to our customer. Especially our customer is looking for the cost down in their daily operations. Our innovation, which is provided 9 minutes of changeover, while in the current situation, the traditional machine is offering 3 hours changeover times. So they can save 2 hours and 51 minutes if they implement our system. Our customer feedback is a kind of a wow factor because they never believe that changeover can be done within 9 minutes. FG Robosys is always one step ahead than the others. And through the support of SMC, we can reduce from 5 bar to 4 bar, which is meaning a lot to the customer for reducing their operation costs. Our relationship with the SMC in terms of developments and also in our production is unbeatable compared to another pneumatic provider. They really help in technical and any aspect that we are looking for. And not only that, SMC has a very great product. It's an air management system that can reduce a lot of energy from 5 bar to 4 bar. And ITV, we can control digitally on that one. Not to mention about SMC has a global network, which is very important on the after-sales service. And we experience those things in a very fantastic way with SMC. I'm very grateful to reach such a situation today because I can innovate the robotic bottling system, which is the only one in the current time. I do believe that everybody will enjoy on my work and our innovations today.